How to view your trip history in Bolt. Want to check your past rides or expenses? Here's how to find your full trip history on Bolt. First, open the Bolt app and tap your profile icon or menu in the top corner. Select Ride History. You'll see a list of all your completed and cancelled trips, along with details like pickup time, destination, fare, and payment method. Tap any trip to view its summary, driver info, or receipt. This section helps you track your spending or report any issues later. Review your trip history once a week to make sure all charges look correct. How often do you check your trip history? Let me know in the comments below. And that's how you can view your trip history in Bolt. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.